Hello and welcome to this unboxing video where I managed to pick myself up some 70s and 80s Lego off Vinted. So I'll show you what we've managed to get. Now look at this. Straight away I was like, oh yes, I could build a bit of an old town. That is cool, isn't it? The little bloke there with the windmill. Nice little build. I like it. And then we've got this house as well. Looks like a little shop. That is ace. I really like that. I think these were the Weetabix, 1980s Weetabix Lego. So I don't know if you had to save up tokens to get it. I'm not sure. I quickly opened the box to have a look and I was like, wow, these are amazing. They're like a little model village buildings. They've kind of made me realise what you can do with quite a small amount of Lego, really. They do look really good. It's got a little garden. A little garden on that. That's amazing, isn't it? That's a really nice one, that is. Wouldn't mind having a few of those. I might be able to work out the pieces and maybe make some more. So what else have we got? There's a little helicopter. That's pretty ace, isn't it? Nice little build. There's an aeroplane. That's cool as well. Cool aeroplane. An ambulance. See, I've got a box of old Lego and I'm starting to recognise some of the pieces. Look at the old cars. They were so good. I think with these old cars, you sort of realise you could probably build them with the pieces that you've got and you don't have to have curves. You can just make them like that. That's got a trailer. I think that has the plane on the trailer actually. I'll have to put them all together when I'm going to build a little old town. Police van. I like it. It's got someone in it. Oh, look. Ooh, what was that? Is that the policeman? Where's his arms gone? Are these the original minifigures when they started thinking we'll do them this size? Because they look like them, don't they? They just haven't got the movable arms and legs. I'll put him back in so I don't lose him. Oh, and the instructions. That's useful. Oh yeah, there's some bits. It's probably fallen off a post box. So that looks like the post. Yeah. Oh, it's really good, isn't it? Could be the post office, I'm not sure really. Yeah, well this is useful because then I could look at the part list, maybe order some parts. Ambulance, helicopter. This is part of another plane. How simple that is. Could make an airport doing it like this. They are good though. I don't know, I like the simple ones. They're simple, but they're still effective. That's a cart, so there'll be a horse somewhere. And then there's the fire engine parts. There's a few bits that have fallen off in transit, like this. Not sure where that's come from. Might be off this actually. And then what else we got? Whoa! Oh yes, a caravan and car. That's ace. That caravan's really cool, isn't it? I like that. That's simple. These simple designs, I'm really liking them. Ooh, what's this? Oh yes. Be able to do deliveries now. Be able to bring them in using the get the pallets in and stuff. Oh, So we've got a forklift. Nice little yellow car. This is the forklift. It's got a little trailer for something. Oh, that's a horse. That'll go with that cart. So we need the rest of him. Another little car. Quite a few cars. Be able to make a nice little old town with all this. Little van. A hovercraft. Oh yes, that hovercraft is good. Roof tiles and brick. Just need some wheels missing. Oh, there's quite a few wheels there, so they've fallen off. Oh, that's part of the... Oh, I'm not sure what that's part of actually. What's in this envelope? Oh, it's instructions. It's instructions for all the little mini builds. Oh, well, that's useful. I'll be able to go through all these parts and put them together. So I've got a few more vans and trucks and bits that'll go on to what we've already got. Look at these little blokes. Hi up. It looks like a drinks delivery. Oh, that's got to go on the plane. I think that goes on the aeroplane. We'll look up the instructions to make sure. Never seen one of these before. It's amazing. Another little person. Yeah, a little bit of a trailer. So yeah, all in all, really happy with this. I tell you, I only spent 20 quid for all of it. It was £10 per lot from the same person, so I was well happy. I had my eye on these buildings the most because I thought they look ace. And a nice little addition to the city for a little old town. And then all the little vehicles as well will look pretty good. I like this caravan. The caravan and car, it's cool, isn't it? Not sure what my favourite is. Obviously, I really like the buildings. The buildings are brilliant. I'm going to make more for sure of those, because then I can make my own custom old town buildings to go with them, and that'll be awesome. But I think out of all the different vehicles, the caravan and car on the hovercraft, the hovercraft looks ace. That is ace. I have to push it all back down together. It's got a bit knocked around in transit, but not too bad. That's the horse's legs. So I'll put it all together and eventually into the loft city. Here they are in the loft city. I've just put them at the end, just placed them at an angle. Look quite good there actually. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them for the permanent old town, because I do really like it there. But they've got the train that's going to be coming round, and I need to put a road in here because the road finishes there. I need the road there, but that's what they look like for now. They look pretty cool. I've dotted a few of the old vehicles around the city as well. So thanks very much for watching this one. A great little haul. Well happy. And I'm going to build some more of these. So thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.